Welcome back. In this video, I'll give you an honest review of Wave accounting and help you decide whether it's worth using or not. So let's get started. If you're a freelancer, small business owner, or just starting your business, Wave accounting is definitely worth considering. It offers many essential accounting features for free, including invoicing, expense tracking, income tracking, financial reports, and bookkeeping tools. One of the best things about Wave is its simple and beginner-friendly interface. You don't need to be an accountant to use it, and you can manage your business finances without much difficulty. However, if you run a large business or need advanced accounting features and more integrations, you may eventually need a different accounting solution. Overall, Wave accounting provides excellent value, especially for small businesses and freelancers. If you're looking for a free, easy-to-use accounting software, it's definitely worth trying. And that's my honest review of Wave accounting. I hope this video helped you. If you found this review useful, please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with others. Thanks for watching.